Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a step-by-step guide to glowing skin. A full routine that will leave your skin radiant, healthy, and refreshed. Whether you're dealing with dullness, dryness, or just want that natural lit-from-within glow. Remember, consistency is key. If you follow these steps daily, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, smoother, and healthier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare and beauty tips. Comment below your favorite glow-boosting product. I'd love to know. Let's begin. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. A glowing routine always begins with a gentle cleanser. One of the most popular choices is the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, a dermatologist-developed cream cleanser perfect for normal to dry or sensitive skin. It's packed with ceramides that help repair the skin barrier, hyaluronic acid to pull in hydration, and glycerin to lock in moisture. Unlike foaming cleansers, it has a creamy, non-lathering texture that cleans without leaving your skin tight or stripped. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and affordable, making it an excellent daily choice. For a budget-friendly alternative, the simple refreshing facial wash is a fantastic choice. It's a lightweight, gel-based cleanser that's soap-free and enriched with vitamin E and pro-vitamin B5. It gently cleans the skin without harsh chemicals, making it ideal for beginners or anyone with sensitive skin. However, it may feel a little too light for very dry skin types. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is key for glowing skin because it removes dead cells that make the skin look dull. A cult favorite is the Paula's Choice Skin, perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, a lightweight leave-on solution with salicylic acid. It penetrates deep into pores to unclog blackheads, smooth uneven texture, and brighten the complexion. This product also contains green tea extract to calm irritation, making it powerful yet gentle enough for most skin types. However, it should be used just 2 to 3 times per week, as overuse may cause dryness. Step 3. Hydrating toner or essence. After cleansing and exfoliation, hydrating toners and essences help prep the skin to absorb serums better. The COSRX Advanced Snail 96. Mucin Power Essence is a beloved K-beauty product with 96% snail mucin, which deeply hydrates, repairs, and soothes damaged skin. Its slightly sticky texture may take some getting used to, but the glow it leaves is undeniable. Step 4. Serum. For dull or uneven skin tone, TruSkin Vitamin C Serum is a brightening powerhouse. Combining vitamin C, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, it fights dark spots, boosts glow, and provides antioxidant protection. It's best applied in the morning before sunscreen. However, since vitamin C can oxidize, it's important to store this serum in a cool, dark place. Step 5. Moisturizer. For a lightweight option, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a refreshing gel cream with hyaluronic acid that instantly hydrates without feeling greasy. It's especially good for oily and combination skin, and it layers well under makeup. However, those with very dry skin may need something richer. Step 6. Sunscreen. The final and most important step is sunscreen. For oily or combination skin, the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50+ is a dream. It has a watery gel texture that absorbs instantly, leaves no white cast, and feels more like skincare than sunscreen. It's infused with hyaluronic acid for hydration, but since it's an Asian sunscreen, availability may be limited in some regions.